Hey, it's Aaron with TB Build here again, and I wanted to take this time to show you guys what the finished result here is in Rhode Island with the Superior Walls foundation. So take a quick peek here behind me. You can see the foundation, Superior Walls. It's already insulated, it's already studded, and all of the framing's in. Everything is tied together here. So we're in the walkout basement here, and one of the really cool things, and this house has pretty much it all. Every unique feature that Superior Walls pretty much has, we got it. So you can kind of see right behind me, we've got a full-on walkout basement, two massive doors, we've got a couple big windows, and you can kind of see right up here, all of the Superior Walls have headers built right in, right? So you don't have to do any stick framing. From the outside, it's concrete. We'll take a quick peek here. Let's go outside. I'll show you. So full-on foundation, concrete. So top of that wall is consistent all the way around. So what does that do? That speeds up your build. You don't have to stick frame that walkout anymore, right? You can just start framing your subfloor above. So a really cool feature right there. So let's keep on walking through. We've got another pretty sweet thing I want to show, and it's not too often we do this, but every once in a while it works out. You got a 2-car garage here, and again, the whole thing is built out of Superior Walls, right? So we've got a 10-foot tall ceiling, we've got a steel beam, everything just ties in beautifully. And again, from the outside, you've got your 2 garage door openings. Concrete headers, really cleans things up. It simplifies the entire build. Really, really cool feature here. So if you have any questions, if you're curious about Superior Walls, reach out. We are the dealer and installer here throughout New England. So if you have a project, you want to talk about it, reach out anytime. All right, talk soon.